about just believe. Yeah, there ain't that much difference between you and me. In a time full of war, be peace. In a world full of hate, be a light.
Safrijal
ya.
belum menikah Sugata anak kandung Tuan Saranadia dengan Hilame Mekah menyambut tunai.
Kalau memang nikah Sarah Nadia, ayah itu dengan Hilame memanglah menyambut tunai.
In a place that needs change, make a difference. In a time full of noise, just listen. 'Cause life is but a breeze.